Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming essentials, a stable connection, and your account credentials. Once done, open Outlook on your laptop and select Add Account. This jumps straight into configuration. Enter your email and password, then choose Manual Setup only if automatic fails. Make sure to select a map for syncing mail across devices or Exchange for corporate accounts. After credentials, grant permission prompts and wait for Outlook to verify settings so you can move into organizing messages. Once your account is active, focus on structure so you can work efficiently. Create folders and subfolders, then drag important messages into them. This reduces inbox clutter. Next, set up rules to auto-sort newsletters, invoices, or priority contacts. It saves repeated manual steps. Make sure your calendar is synced, add events, set reminders, and choose notification preferences so you never miss meetings. Use search and focused inbox to find items faster and keep attention on what matters. To finish, personalize settings so Outlook fits your workflow. Add a signature, choose reply behavior, and adjust the reading pane for speed. Backup settings or export a PSD file and confirm a recovery email so you can restore if needed. Learn a few shortcuts to save time and enable desktop notifications for urgent mail. If things go wrong, try the key troubleshooting move. Restart Outlook, verify internet and server status, then re-enter your password. This fixes most sync and authentication errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.